What's up, risk managers? My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. And welcome to today's NA meeting, where we'll discuss the economic data for the week, the day's technical analysis, the trading opportunities that we took on today's stream, and build a game plan for tomorrow's price action. And if you haven't done so already, you can show your support by subscribing to the channel. And with that said, let's jump into the charts now. This is tomorrow's data. Be mindful that all times are in Central Time. And we have a big block of news scheduled for tomorrow, so let's jump into it. At 7:30, we have a big block of news with the focus on continuous jobless claims, core PCE quarter over quarter, which measures the changes in the value of all goods and services purchased by U.S. citizens, excluding food and energy, gross domestic products, and home sales inventory. At 9 o'clock, we have pending home sales. At 9:30, we have some crude news. At 10 o'clock, we have the Kansas Fed. At 10:30 and 12 o'clock, we have the 4-week bill auction and a 7-year note auction. Now, it was never recommended to trade during volatile price action, but if you choose to trade during these times, then understand you're playing a game of chance with your trading account. And now that we know what to expect, let's jump into the charts and create a game plan for tomorrow's price action. This is the block of price action that we traded during today's stream, and right at open, price gapped up, pushing price into resistance where the bears came in and sold price off for the entirety of the day. Now, Meta had their earnings after the bell, and this is the result of weak guidance. Now, something interesting has happened. Price has traded into prior areas of support, and I expect the bulls to come in this area to try to protect their position. But if they fail here, price will run these stops in search for lower prices. But what does the bulls need to maintain this bullish momentum? Well, tomorrow we have the release of continuous jobless claims. And in order for the bulls to get that reaction that they want, the job numbers need to come in hot. Weak job numbers or more firing shows the Fed that the economy is slowing and that they may need to come in and cut rates. And a hot job numbers will excite bulls, and they would most likely continue to push price higher. Now, if the bulls do get what they want tomorrow, and they do push price higher into this area of resistance, I do expect this is where the bears to come in. I believe the bears are going to try to protect this high and try to sell price down as it tries to trade into this area of resistance. These last 2 days, these last 2 weeks have definitely been a tug of war between the bulls and the bears. Yesterday, we've had a massive bullish move up where the bears constantly tried to sell this market down multiple times and failing. And it seems like today is the reverse of yesterday. The bulls having a great start in pre-market, but losing the momentum throughout the day. We did have some areas where the bulls did come back in, but was met with a strong bearish move down. So the bulls have a lot of work cut out for them tomorrow if they want to maintain their control over the market. And with that said, let's jump into an ES chart. This is an ES chart, and this is the block of price action that we traded during today's stream. And just like the NQ, price gapped up at open, pushed price into resistance where the bears pushed price down for the entirety of the session. And just like the NQ, the bulls did try to regain control of this market, which was met by a bearish move down. So far, on the ES, the bulls are managing to protect this area of support. And just like the NQ, the bulls are looking for a hot number to come in for tomorrow. It's very important for bulls for the job numbers to come in less than expectation. Our last job number showed a boom in new jobs, and another report like that will definitely be the catalyst for the bears to come in and continue to push price lower. Overnight, I do expect the bears to try to continue to sell price down. And I do have a feeling that the bears will probably manage to break this area of support and possibly begin trading in this area. But we'll see. Now that we have this Fed blackout period, it feels like the market can finally breathe and the market can rotate back and forth between demand and supply. But remember, this is just a game plan for tomorrow. I want to see the price action in pre-market, and that will determine my bias going into tomorrow's stream. Because we don't trade what we think, we trade what we see. Because the price action writes the story, the charts tell the story, and if you listen and trust in the setup, then you'll have a story. And here's my story. So today, we're ending the day with over $8,700 in profit. Now this morning did start off a little rough. Based on the momentum of the market, I thought I was on the wrong side with my short, and throughout the duration of the position, I almost stopped myself out of a winning position, which sheds a light on the importance of having a trade plan and trading that plan. If I actually stuck with my original targets instead of stopping myself out, I would have made way more today. Not only did price hit all my targets, but it even went a little further. Once again, showing me that my expectations for the market at times can be wrong, but this is a learning experience. And with that said, that's all I have. And if you're enjoying these breakdowns and want insight on trading the Nasdaq and ES intraday, then subscribe to the channel and join the live stream where me and my trading partner provides intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is building a community. And if you're tired of missing the best trades on the Nasdaq and ES intraday, then join the live stream, join the Discord, join the risk managers in the chat, and we appreciate your support as we grow. As we wrap up, remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. And we can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story. Make sure you write that story in your trading journal because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Stay green out there. Peace.